So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of VTP Cielo Bavdan, which is located near Chandni Chowk Bavdan and developed by VTP Realty. And today in this video we'll be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before getting into the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Now let's go and have a look at the project overview. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू की. The VTP Cielo project will be constructed on 4.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 2 podium plus 21 floors and with 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK simplex, also 4 BHK duplex and 6 BHK duplex and 8 BHK duplex premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं लोकेशन से सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की. तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द सेल्स ऑफिस. राइट बिहाइंड ये है इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं ये है इनका लैंड पार्सल. नाउ कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. Project is just located near Mulshi Road, Chandni Chowk, Bavdan, Pune. And you can also connect Mumbai-Bangalore highway within 1.8 km and Lohia Jain IT Park within 2.8 km also and Aditya Shagun Mall within 3.5 km. And now coming to the amenities part, VTP Cielo project has luxurious amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, jogging track, wellness and spa center also and many more. And now moving forward to the carpet areas of project, VTP Cielo has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK simplex. Also 4 BHK duplex, 6 BHK duplex and 8 BHK duplex premium residences and 2 BHK starting from 762, 862 square feet carpet area and 3 BHK starting from 975 to 1470 square feet carpet area and 4 BHK starting from 1744 to 1750 square feet carpet area and 5 BHK simplex starting from 1903 to 117 square feet carpet area. 4 BHK duplex starting from 1424 to 1720 square feet carpet area. 6 BHK duplex starting from 1950 to 2940 square feet carpet area and 8 BHK duplex starting from 3488 square feet carpet area. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं बुकिंग प्रोसेस की. Our booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project details along with the 3D model and will share you the pricing and payment schemes along with the location tour. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of VTP Cielo Bavdan, which is located near Chandni Chowk, Bavdan, Pune and which is developed by VTP Realty. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हो या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section and for more such videos do click on the given below link and like, share, subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.